Zillow just sent shockwaves through the U.S. housing market with a forecast that could terrify homeowners and buyers alike. Sharp price declines are coming to cities once thought untouchable. Pending sales are at historic lows, cancellations are soaring, and buyer demand is weaker than during the 2008 crash. Homes that once sold for $700,000 are now selling for $500,000, wiping out years of equity overnight. Today, we're counting down the 10 U.S. cities where Zillow predicts the housing pain will hit hardest. Even the nation's capital isn't safe. With a median home price of $640,000, high taxes, rising insurance premiums, and stagnant wages, buyers are being priced out. Homes sit on the market for 60, 90, even 120 days, and one condo recently dropped 19% in less than 3 years. Zillow predicts prices will keep sliding here through 2026. Portland, the darling of West Coast living, is also in trouble. Homes are now more than 6 times the median household income. High taxes, insurance costs, and low buyer demand are driving what Zillow calls a housing depression worse than 2008. Inventory is surging, and sellers are forced to slash prices just to get offers. Portland, the darling of West Coast living, is also in trouble. Homes are now more than 6 times the median household income. High taxes, insurance costs, and low buyer demand are driving what Zillow calls a housing depression worse than 2008. Inventory is surging, and sellers are forced to slash prices just to get offers. A retirement haven turned high-risk market. Median home values spiked 70% during the pandemic, but local incomes haven't kept up. Insurance premiums and flood coverage are unsustainable. Listings are up 80%, resales are underwater, and the buyer pool is shrinking. Paradise isn't cheap. Homes are 9 times local income. Locals are leaving the islands, population is declining, and inventory is piling up. Add rising costs of living and flat wages, and you have a market in freefall. Zillow expects declines to continue. Denver's housing bubble is bursting. Median homes cost 7 times the median income. Listings are up 55%, and buyers have largely disappeared. Even luxury markets like Boulder are struggling. Zillow forecasts values sliding further through 2026. Once seen as an affordable Bay Area alternative, Sacramento now has homes 7 times annual income. Listings are up 70%, builders are slashing prices, and cancellations are rampant. Zillow warns the California bubble is spreading. Austin's boom is over. Median home prices are down 18% from 2022 highs. Inventory is up 140%. Pending sales are at record lows, and investor sell-offs are accelerating. Affordability is destroyed, and the tech-driven hype bubble is gone. San Francisco's median home price is $1.25 million, 10 times local income. Tech layoffs, exodus, and high costs have gutted demand. Downtown vacancies are sky high, and some homes are already down 20 to 25% from 2022 peaks. Zillow's 4% forecast may be conservative. New Orleans is ground zero for America's affordability crisis. Median home prices are $285,000, but local income is just $47,000. Insurance premiums have tripled. Flood coverage adds thousands more, and hurricanes keep demand depressed. Homes bought for $310,000 in 2021 are now selling for $250,000. From DC to Hawaii, the story is clear. America's housing market is facing a multi-year collapse. Affordability, taxes, insurance, and stagnant wages are breaking markets from coast to coast. If Zillow's forecast is right, the pain is only just beginning. Stay informed, stay prepared, and keep a close eye on your local market. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay up to date on housing market news and forecasts. Which city worries you the most? Let us know in the comments below.